All right, guys, so in this go around, I have an actual recoiling kit pistol from Laser Shot. This is a SIG P320. And I also have an extra magazines because I may have to reload for the gas. But we're gonna shoot a different stage and we'll just see how we do, adding a little realism to this training. Let's go. Mission select, mission mode, mission 2. Hard. 16. No! Well, I didn't, that was fun. I didn't take advantage of my the time that I had between the stages to reload. I was running low on gas, but you know what? That just makes for more realism in the training. Obviously, there is the game, the way it's kind of laid out, it does give you some time to reload on screen, or if you're using a recoil system, in this case, you can reload there. But I like that. I like that realism is there and I have to kind of think outside the box. So there you go, guys. If you want to find out more about the recoiling kit from Laser Shot, go to lasershot.com. I'm Kawa and I train with Laser Shot. We'll see you next time.